is Keisha, Size of Care Creations, and on this YouTube channel, I am sharing with you everything I can about my sewing journey. So, I want to first tell everyone that I've been away for some time with the YouTube videos because I've been really busy with just life. Um, Holidays are here, so my kids are in schools. There's preparations for school performances, school pictures this time of year. I'm getting updated on all of our doctor's appointments, trying to keep up with our health. And, there was Thanksgiving, Black Friday. I did do some Black Friday shopping. I'll show you some things I purchased over the Black Friday holiday weekend. And then last weekend, my mom and we were able to get away just to spend some much needed quality time out of town. So while I've always been like having sewing on my mind, I really have not had a whole lot of time to really get in my room and do any sewing or do any videos for you. So I do want to preface the video with that first and foremost. But sewing has been on my mind. I have been purchasing some fabric, and I did get 2 projects done in the month of late November and in the month of December. Really small projects I'm going to share with you in a few minutes, but just want to let you know that I am here. I'm just trying to get through the holidays and the new year's coming up, and just trying to make sure I'm keeping things moving in my life, and just not letting a lot of things fall by the wayside. So I had to take a little bit of a break just from sewing, but I do plan to be getting back into my sewing. I have some time off for the holiday. I've got lots of ideas in my head for sewing. What I'll actually commit to, I don't know yet, but just know that I am going to be doing more videos showing you all what I'm working on for the holiday, and if I work on anything for the holidays, and then of course thereafter. So first things first, let me show you the 2 things I worked on in late November, early December. The first I've done before, and I showed you all this this shirt was the Simplicity 8788, if I'm not mistaken. I did this before in the stretch velvet royal blue color, and I did like it so much. It was a really easy sew. I went ahead and did a second one. I did increase the size on it and made it much longer. So I do like this fit much better than the first garment I made. So now I know if I do this pattern again to make the bigger size and increase my length on it. And I think I got this fabric from Hobby Lobby during the Black Friday sale, or just before the Black Friday sales. But yeah, I was able to get this done late November. I was hoping if I had waited a little longer, I probably could have entered this into the little dress project that's being hosted by Renata, the Twilight Stitcher, and Talisha of Creativity by T. But because I started this project right before the November 24th start date for that challenge, I'm not able to submit this particular garments to the challenge. So I will wait until next year, hopefully, and I'll participate in that challenge. But I did like this top. I made it again. I will likely wear it maybe over the Christmas holiday or for New Year's. Who knows? We'll see where that goes. And I also did, recently I finished a poncho. I wanted to do a poncho so bad. So I'm always looking for like DIY me-mades and things like that. I like DIYs. I do like the patterns, but I do like DIYs as well. So I found Melly Sews has a really nice tutorial on her YouTube channel on how to make a poncho. A really simple, very easy poncho. It only need 2 pieces. It's the body of the poncho itself, and then it's the cowl neck. So it was really easy to put together. What can I say about this? It was easy. It was extremely easy, and I would definitely do more of these. The only issue that I had was when I did this, the cowl neck on it was so tight. It was like choking me. It was like so tight around my neck. It was choking me. So part of me was like, okay, I know I can't wear this comfortably. So do I scratch the whole thing and repurpose the fabric, or do I just figure out a way to fix the neckline? And I just went ahead and fixed the neckline. I made the neckline much wider. I cut a new cow neck, and it fits a lot looser around my neck now. So I am excited to wear this. I will probably be making more of these at some point. I don't know how soon. I do like having ponchos though. I can throw it on to walk the dog or run a quick errand at the market or store. Yeah, so I thought this was going to be really nice to have. So I did make this. I probably will make a couple more. And I used, I got the anti-pill fleece from Joann Fabric when I, to do this. So yeah, I like it. So speaking of fabrics, I did get some more of the anti-pill, and the purpose of me getting more of the anti-pill was to do maybe some more ponchos, or I may just hold on to it and just think of something to do maybe for next year. I don't know right now. I don't know what my immediate plans are for sewing, so I'm just going to sit tight on it for a little while. But I did get it in this pretty blue color, and I got it also in this pretty maroon color. Now when I got it, again, I got this stuff during the Black Friday sale, and I had poncho in my mind, like just ponchos. So I thought I was going to do one for my girls, like one for my oldest and one for my youngest, two different colors. But I don't know. I mean, I think you have plans in your head and they always change. And I don't know that they really want a poncho. I don't know if they really wear one. So I'll think some more about that. Maybe I'll just make two more for myself. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But I've got time and I've got fabric. So no rush there. So yeah. What else did I get? So I'm looking behind me because I have all this fabric right here. So I did get some nice flannel from, where are my notes? I got this flannel from Joann Fabrics. And the flannel, I just got this nice, oh, wait a minute, no. I got this nice pink flannel from Joann Fabrics during the Black Friday sale. And I got this purple and white also from their Black Friday sale. And I got this gray one from the Black Friday sale. So the thoughts I had for this was basically working on, I thought I was going to have time to work on some lounge pants for my girls and maybe my husband. I know they like to wear things to lounge around the house in. So I thought I would get some flannel fabric for that purpose. And I don't know what happened. I guess life, like I told you guys earlier, you know, all these plans and just things get in the way of me getting to my machine. But it happens. So, I don't know. I might just hold on to these for a while. I'll think some more if I'm gonna commit time to doing flannel pants still. I don't know, but I do have it here. And I think I got about 3 yards of each, maybe 2 yards of each. So yeah, I got this flannel, and let me put this to the side here in 2 seconds. All right. And I purchased this flannel. So when I got this flannel, this was actually from Hobby Lobby. I got this from Hobby Lobby right before the big Black Friday sale. So it was like a day or two for the Black Friday sale. I went into Hobby Lobby. I had a gift card. I wanted to just go ahead and use it. So I used my gift card and I got some fabric from Hobby Lobby. Now, what did I have in mind when I purchased this? I don't even remember now. A skirt maybe? I don't even remember. It's a flannel though. I got about 3 yards here. I don't know. What I was gonna do. But I've got this flannel and I will definitely find a use for it. I do have quite a few skirt patterns, so maybe I can do a nice skirt with it. I don't know. I did go online and I was looking at some ideas based on some Sherpa fabric that I purchased. I'll show you that in a second. And I thought maybe From Pinterest, I could do like a, sh- a cow scarf. I don't know. I feel like this fabric is just not what I want to do a scarf with. I don't know. I want to think about it some, figure it out. I don't know, but maybe a skirt or something. What do you think I should do with this fabric? I think I have about two or 3 yards. I'm not sure. Let me know. And then what I purchased from, let me pause this for 1 second. I hear my dog downstairs and I don't know why she's going off. Let me go and check that out. Give me a second. Okay, I'm back. So come to find out, my oldest had her food out and she put the dog in a crate as she went to go take a bathroom break. So she doesn't want to be in her crate. So here she is. Say hi, everybody. Say hi. Hi. All right, you can stay upstairs with mommy for a little bit. All right. So, where was I? So yeah, so this fabric I got from Hobby Lobby, and it's a chenille fabric. Chenille, I think that's what you call it. Chenille fabric. And it's very soft, it's very cozy. I really, really like it. And when I purchased this, I thought I would do a sweater, but I was doing research, right? Looking at YouTube and looking at ideas for chenille fabric on Pinterest. And I pumped the brakes because I saw a video by, I think her name is the Curvy Curator. She had this exact same fabric. And she did a really nice two-piece outfit, like a pair of lounge pants and a cardigan. And I think she had a crop top underneath the cardigan. So that made me think I can do a whole lot more with this fabric and maybe not a sweater. So I'm going to hold off on this, give it some more thought, do some more research for some ideas on how I can make this fabric here look really fabulous. So, but I did find something really interesting, and let me know if you guys ever encountered this at Hobby Lobby. So I did get the end of the bolt, and I noticed at the end of the bolt that it had writing on it. I've never seen this on any fabric before. I don't even know why that's there. I did get a percentage off for this. You know, that means I really can't use this part of the fabric. I mean, I probably could if I camouflage it enough, but it's just not desirable for me to use this, I don't think. I don't know why this is here. So if you can tell me if you've seen this before and what it means, please let me know, because I'm looking at it and it literally says 10-159 hashtag. No idea what that means. But I saw it as the lady was cutting my fabric and I asked her, like, what is that? Why is that there? And she was kind enough to give me a percentage off because of that. So, or either she gave me a percentage off or gave me the entire, like, I didn't get charged for the last half of the bolt, one or the other, but I knew that I got some kind of compensation for that writing on here. I don't know why it's even here. But I did want the fabric, so I went ahead and purchased it. So I'm just going to hold off on it until I can think of something really nice to make with it. Maybe not a sweater so much. So, and then from Joann Fabric, they had this pre-cut Sherpa. So I love Sherpa. I think it's just so soft. It's really comfortable. It's cozy. It's like really, it gives lots of warmth. I just kind of picked these up. I forgot how much they were, maybe $9 each. So I got this ivory color here, and I purchased, what color is this? Oh, it's just tan, a tan. You don't see the difference really because of the lighting, but let me turn this around so you can see it better. But yeah, I got this Sherpa. So I'm big on going, I have no issue and there is no shame in my game. I go and research everything. I use Pinterest a lot to get ideas. I'm definitely on YouTube to get ideas. Instagram for ideas on what to do and how I can make my fabric work for me. So when I did my research with the Sherpa, just to get ideas of things I can make with the Sherpa, what came up. Of course, sweaters, cardigans, a cowl scarf. I mentioned that earlier. I can use this for a lining on a vest, a simple vest with a lining on it. And I'm sure there are other things. I can use this for a liner for booties, like for like some slippers wear around the house. Nice lining inside. Yeah, the opportunities are like out there for me to make the best use of this fabric. So I, again, am not going to rush it. If I have this for next year, that's even better. I just want to make sure I have it so I can take my time and decide what I want to do with it later. The biggest thing is that I got it all on sale, so that's really good. And I think the last thing I wanted to show you was this, what is this? This is called Luxe Fleece. I purchased from Joann Fabrics, and I thought that this would be nice for an outerwear. I initially thought poncho, but I already made one, have the potential to do 2 more maybe. So I got this camel color Luxe Fleece, and I do have 3 yards of this. So I don't have a camel outer garment, so I don't know. I might hold on to this too until next year and try to do a nice, a simple but easy coat. Something I can just like a wrap style coat or something I could wear over my clothes. So I think this is too nice of a fabric for me to just do a simple poncho, because it's really nice, it's soft, it's just, it feels luxurious actually. It's just really nice. So I'm thinking I might just hold off and just do a coat next year using this fabric here, a wrap style coat. So yeah, so that's what I had to share with you all today. Just kind of wanted you to know that I'm still around, just kind of slow with the sewing a little bit because of holidays and end of year activities. I did also purchase a couple of patterns when I went to Joann Fabrics for that pattern sale on Black Friday, but I have already unfortunately taken those patterns out of the envelopes and stored them away. So they're all mixed in now. I don't remember which ones I actually purchased. I try to, when I buy the patterns, if I'm not recording, just go right ahead and put them away unless I plan to record the haul. And unfortunately, I did not record that haul. So the next pattern sale I go to, I'll make sure I do a recording of the haul to show you all what I'm purchasing. But yeah, so this is it. This is what I've been up to. Just, you know, doing things in life and getting my fabric together and trying to think about my sewing plans for next year. Gearing up for the holidays. I'll have some time off. I would like to just sit down and just try to figure out my plans for next year in terms of my hobby and sewing, and thinking about wanting to pull out my Cricut at some point over the holiday break. I have yet to pull that out, so I might try to get a t-shirt in over the holiday break. We'll see where that goes. But yeah, I hope that you all are doing well. I hope that you all are gearing up to have a restful holiday, a restful end of the year, and a restful start to your year. So until next time, happy holidays and God bless.